How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another FIFA 20 video. We had a crazy weekend of, just the League A1 team of the season. Today we actually got the upgrade packs, if you guys haven't seen, which I'm sure you did. Well, they weren't really upgrade packs, they were upgrade player SBCs. I have a video coming out later tomorrow of me doing about 40 of them. It was actually a really good video, and I really enjoyed it, and we got some pretty cool pulls. So make sure you guys check it out tomorrow. But today we're going to be talking about the Ultimate Team of the Season market crash. We'll do a little bit of an insight on what's going to happen this week, as well as explaining, what's going to happen with Ultimate Team of the Season. We're going to see a pretty big, market crash. We saw it last year with a lot of the Team of the Season cards, and we did see it with the Best of Team of the Week SBCs that we got this year. So, what's going to happen with Ultimate Team of the Season? For those that don't know, basically, EA puts all the best Team of the Season cards into one team for Ultimate Team of the Season. Last year and the year before we got it, they were pretty solid teams. There's literally not like a bad player in that Team of the Season. They're all very nice cards, and it's going to be one like crazy Team of the Season. But what happens, and this is why it is called the Ultimate Team of the Season market crash, is because what happens is we get those huge players back in packs for another whole week with upgrades and people opening packs, lightning rounds, all the same stuff, but we get a huge supply coming in. So what's going to happen with a huge supply coming in is it's going to start to lower the prices of those big cards like 99 Van Dijk, 99 De Bruyne, 99 Messi, 99 Ronaldo. Those cards are going to see a decrease in price. So what's going to happen is that's going to pull all the alternatives down with them. So, for example, we use Royce as an example. If Royce does not get in to that Team of the Season, the Ultimate Team of the Season, with all those 99s dropping in price below him or something, what you're going to see is Royce also drop because people are going to see, Messi is lower, or Ronaldo, Lewandowski, whoever it may be. They're going to see that they're lower in price, which is going to mean the other versions will drop down. And obviously, if you see Messi very cheap, people aren't going to pay for, some other cards that are, higher priced, but just aren't as good. So we're going to see overall the market go down, if that explanation makes any sense. Basically, all you need to know is prices are going to drop down because, bigger cards are going to be lowering in price. It's similar to what happened with the Team of the Year, Trent Alexander-Arnold and Andy Robertson. We basically saw the prices of Andy Robertson and Trent Alexander-Arnold's Team of the Seasons drop, and that that dropped the Team of the Year versions because the Team of the Season versions were exactly the same and were much, much cheaper, so that pulled the Team of the Year versions down. That's going to be the same thing for all the other cards. So what can you do to avoid losing coins? What can you do to invest? I'll be honest with you, investing-wise, I don't really think it's a great idea to invest too much. Obviously, we have a little bit of the League A1 investments. Like, I still think, Neymar and Mbappe, they're going to be decent around rewards time. They're gold cards that we picked up. And even some of the alternatives will be good for the League A1 rewards. But honestly, we're going to start to see panic and people not really buying heading into Ultimate Team this season. And during the week of Ultimate Team of the Season is where we're going to see the biggest drop, of this whole thing. So you just got to be careful. You have to watch out for that. And with Team of the Season ending next week too, we are going to see the market drop a bit as we're going to see people kind of, they're going to have their teams built. We don't really have too many, planned promos coming out. So we don't know what's going to come after Team of the Season. Personally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at some of the tradable players in my club. I'm going to maybe, look to, keep them depending on what their price is. But for me anyways, I think I'm going to play this weekend league pretty quick. I think I'm going to try and get a lot of the games done on Friday so I could sell the team on Saturday. Because I think once this next weekend league is done, you are going to see so many prices start to just drop down like crazy. And you don't want to lose too many coins. It's what's going to happen, and you just got to be careful. Even the week before, we start to see a little bit of a drop heading into the Ultimate Team this season. We're starting to already see the market drop a little bit. We've seen some cards, kind of lose their value a bit. Like Team of the Season Aguero, we've seen a pretty decent drop on him. Even Virgil van Dijk has started to go down a little bit. And he's going to continue as we head closer and closer to Ultimate Team of the Season. Especially those cards that we know for a fact are going to get in. Like Neymar, like Van Dijk, like, Messi. All those cards that we know are going to get in, we're going to start to see a bit of a drop on. And that's really just what's going to happen. That's going to be the market. Investing-wise, like I said, you just want to avoid, maybe the high-rated fodder will be good. Surely we're going to get, some kind of big Team of the Season flashbacks or big Team of the Season, SBCs that are going to require higher-rated players to get in. So again, it might not be a bad idea to pick up some high-rated fodder very soon. The market is low, so we might want to pick that up before we get some pretty in-demand SBCs. But again, we'll have to wait and see. And, hopefully EA drops something. We've been waiting for SBCs. There is a new season coming out, and I'll do another video on this too tomorrow or Wednesday. We have a new season coming out, and the mid-icon upgrade is actually expiring this week. So what's going to happen is we're going to get the Prime Icon pack. No one is really talking about this right now, but we're going to get a Prime Icon upgrade, and I'm just saying, high-rated fodder is probably going to be a good idea to pick up. There is a lot of low 86, 87, and 88 players, even 89. We saw the mid-icon, 86 to 88. 86, 87, 88, 89 players are a good pickup. We saw Lucas, for example. Lucas's card had two 89s. EA won't go over an 89 rated, card. So I'm just saying, anything between 86 and 89 rated, I think is a good idea to pick up for the icon pack. A lot of Prime Icons aren't really too high in price. So I can't really see it being too expensive. Maybe one squad of 86, 87, 88, maybe 89, maybe two 88s. I'm not too sure. We'll have to wait and see. Just because a lot of Prime Icons are pretty low in price. It wouldn't be worth, doing an 800k SBC for a chance to get, 20 icons that are under 500k, if you know what I mean. So we should be looking for that. High-rated fodder seems to be the move. Any other meta cards and stuff, just avoid. You guys don't want to fall into the trap of, picking up a good team right now, and then in a week or so, you see your team has lost you 1 million coins. Anyways, that'll pretty much wrap up the video. If you guys did enjoy, please drop a like on it, and make sure you guys do subscribe for more FIFA 20 content. Tomorrow we'll be talking about the market, probably, that Prime Icon pack, as well as I'll be uploading the video of me doing about 40 to 50 player pick upgrades. It was actually pretty sick, and we got some really good players. You guys don't want to miss out on that. Until then, see you guys later.